Hey all, welcome to ShareTreck. This is Raj here. Friends, there's a new piece of information. I hesitate to call this breaking news because it has already been broken, but the market seemed to have not registered it as much as I would have expected. So there is a big news about a collaboration between Oracle and Palantir. Both of them are powerhouses in their respective field. And I want to talk about that a little bit. At the end, we'll also go and have a look at the price charts to see if there are any patterns, either in Oracle or in Palantir, and if we can see any trade ideas. With that said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. Oracle is known for its powerful cloud infrastructure. Earlier, they were known for their databases and their ERP and MRP applications. So it's an evolving company that's a very strong company, has done very well, good track record, and it's teaming up with Palantir. And it's teaming up with Palantir, a leader in AI and decision-accelerated platforms. Together, they're aiming to help organizations make the most out of their data, boosting efficiency and increasing the bottom line for their client companies. And this will also help them meet the sovereignty requirements and staying ahead of their competitors by making sure that they have control over their data. And one major move as part of this collaboration is Palantir bringing its Foundry workloads over to Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. This means Palantir's Gotham and AI platforms will now be available across Oracle's extensive cloud network, including public cloud regions, dedicated regions, and even specialized setups like Oracle's air-gapped regions for defense and intelligence clients. Now, you will recollect that I have already provided a detailed video on Palantir recently when we started the coverage. If you missed that, please check back on our channel. But for the purposes of this video, I'll briefly explain Palantir by saying that they have got three main platforms. Palantir Gotham, which is primarily used by government agencies. Palantir Metropolis, tailored for banks and financial services firms and hedge funds, and Palantir Foundry, the go-to for corporate clients. And what is really exciting is how Palantir is leveraging the generative AI capabilities to expand its reach. This cutting-edge technology, which creates text, images, video, and code autonomously, is poised to transform industries like healthcare, energy, and manufacturing. And with Palantir's track record in government intelligence and counterterrorism, they are well positioned to make a big splash in the commercial market. Oracle's cloud business might not be as massive as Amazon, Microsoft, or Google, but it's been gaining positive traction. And with this partnership, I think they are set to make an even bigger impact, offering a seamless integration of Palantir's platform with their own robust infrastructure. Now, I am thinking that if Palantir has got a lot of government contracts and if their offerings require cloud platform, if this collaboration had not happened, Oracle would not have been able to get those businesses. But now Oracle is also one of the parties that will be considered by the government while placing orders. So that's a segment of business that Oracle has saved for itself, or in other words, has not lost for itself. And this alliance makes Oracle a very good participant in that space, especially when it comes to the defense sector. On the stock market today, Palantir stock saw a nice bump, rising nearly 4% to 23.66 in the early trading, but since then it has dropped. I think it has come almost close to where it closed the previous day. Meanwhile, Oracle stock edged up 0.9% to 127.40, but at time of recording, it had fallen back to yesterday's close. So Palantir stock has been on the rise in 2024, up nearly 32% from the previous year's close, although it has pulled back slightly from its high of 27.50, which it recorded on 7th of March. Coincidentally, this morning, I placed an order for Palantir stock and got 100 at 23.56, and I'm already down 1.59%. But you know what? We are looking at the long term for Palantir. At least I'm looking at the long term for Palantir. So I'm happy with it. And I wouldn't be doing anything on Oracle stocks because my wife works for Oracle and there is the window period and all that. So I don't touch the stock. I don't want to be constrained by window periods and other things. And knowingly or unknowingly, I don't want to break any rules. So I wouldn't be looking at Oracle stock, but Oracle stock is also excellent. Now let's talk about pricing. While Palantir has been tight-lipped about the cost of its AI products, it's clear that they are making moves to capitalize on the growing demand for AI-driven solutions. So I'm going to see a good pop of share price for Palantir going forward. And here's an interesting tidbit. Back in 2021, Palantir struck a cloud deal with IBM, further solidifying its position in the tech world. So it was logical for Oracle to get into this kind of a partnership so that IBM also offers cloud, Oracle can be competitive. So let's take a quick look at the price chart for both Oracle and Palantir to see if we can spot any patterns or ideas. First, I'm looking at the Oracle price chart. Oracle had a huge gap up when it announced its earnings. They had spectacular earnings. Their EPS came in 2.4% above, and their outlook was also good, so the share saw a jump. And since then, it has been consolidating in a range-bound fashion. And today, I think at the news, the share started very high. It started at 127.70 or something in that vicinity. And since then, it has fallen. It has even fallen below yesterday's closing. It's being supported by the 9-day exponential moving average. I don't see anything really wrong with the share as such. It's just a consolidation happening, creating a new foundation before it goes up. All the exponential moving averages are in the right pattern to show that it's in a bull channel. We'll see what happens in a short while. I'd like to take you now to Palantir. And this is the chart for Palantir, which had a gap up after earnings, of course. And since then, it has gone up and consolidated in a range-bound fashion. But it has come back down to test the support line at 21.86. So we have a double bottom out here. I'm going to see if it is going to go up further and I can find a neckline. Then I can do some projections. But at this point of time, when I look at this chart, I've already seen one death cross out here, which is bearish. And we have broken down below the 20-day and the 9-day exponential moving average today for Palantir. So the chart is starting to look weak. However, when I look at the RSI and momentum, it seems to be picking up. So this could change the picture. So we'll watch this tomorrow and day after and see how it goes. The volumes are also lower than usual. We saw a lot of volume during the earnings. Since then, it has tapered off. But the volume is like what it was before the earnings. So that's where I would like to leave this. And for the time being, I think the market has had enough of AI and it is consolidating, digesting everything. But I don't think the AI bull market is over. I think it's just a consolidation, setting up a platform or a foundation, for the lack of a better term. And from there, it's going to go up further because there's a lot of productivity that will come up, and productivity means addition to the bottom line. So I think we have to wait and watch what happens in this space. And also, hopefully, with every passing day, we go closer to rate cuts. And as we go closer to rate cuts, there will be bullishness in the market. And Palantir, as it becomes more and more apparent to people that it's going to play in AI, things are going to be way better for Palantir. And if you just look at the way Palantir operates and the way AI operates, it's basically making sense of discrete, unformatted data, finding patterns and drawing inferences. Most of the companies have got so much of this kind of data, not only within the company, but within their industry, which they can gather, which historical data that is available. All of them can be used under Palantir and AI platforms in order to improve the understanding of the business and the industry and take really well thought out decisions that can further improve the chances of success and improve the profitability and productivity of the companies. So my friends, we are just at the beginning of a new bull run for AI. That is my personal opinion. Of course, it's not financial advice. I would be very keen to know what do you think about this partnership, and are you excited about the fact that Palantir and Oracle are joining together in a cloud AI combination to deliver cutting-edge technology to defense and the rest of the industries? With that, my friends, I would like to end this video here. I look forward to your comments, and I'll catch up with you again in the next video. Bye for now.